to go to my little cousin's house. And she about to put a wig on my head, child. Look, I'm looking real bummy. But yeah, that's what about to do. That's what's going on. Or whatever. Look at you. See, I could have ran up on you, see? I ain't paying attention. Back to my channel. I'm about to go get some change. I'm at the laundromat. I need to go get, I'm using these, like, you know how the laundromat have, like, change machines? I need some quarters to park. So, that's what I'm at. That's what I'm doing now. So I'm about to get $2 worth of change from this hood laundromat, period. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Come go to the beach with me. Y'all, I'm here at the beach and I'm kind of disappointed because it keeps raining on and off, and I really wanted to get some sun and just chill. I was going to, you know, jot down some ideas of some of the things that I want to work on for this upcoming year. I wanted to read my Bible and just manifest a few things and just sit on the beach, dip my feet in the water, pray a little. And yeah, and I wanted to get some content. You know, I had this whole thing planned out. And on a day where I want to go to the beach, it want to start raining. So, I'm not going to leave just yet. I'm sitting in my car. I'm in the, like, the parking lot. The beach is, like, directly across the street. So, I'm going to sit here for a while and see. Hopefully, the sun comes out. Like, it haven't started raining yet, but it's really, really gloomy out here. It's really, really gloomy out here, and yeah, it's gloomy out. I want the sun to be out. And it's been raining like on and off since I got in my car and left my house. It's been kind of raining on and off, but we'll see. So I'll be back. I just had to come back. Yeah, I don't mind my dirty car. I need a vacuum, so I need a whole car wash. About my vacuum. I can't even wait to show y'all that I taste this right here. Cause you know, I be seeing a lot of people hyping this up. So I got the gingerberry, which it doesn't taste bad, but I'm not a fan. Excuse my nails, too, child. I don't know why I'm just peeling. It's not for listening. Don't judge me, okay? It's not for a feeling. But anyways, I wanted to try this, but however, I would not ever buy this again. Not that it tastes bad, cause it doesn't. Like, it tastes fine. But I don't like any drinks that has, like, the soda taste. Mind you, I do drink soda. The only type of soda that I like to drink is ginger ale and Dr. Pepper. Those are my two sodas that I like to drink. But I don't like to drink any other products that have like the soda taste, if that makes sense. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. But that's what this has. This has like the soda taste, that acid, like that taste. I don't like that. I wish that this was like a juice or something like that. It would have been. I feel like it would have tasted much better if it was a juice. I don't like that acid taste. So, but yeah, I won't be trying it again. But I'm gonna drink it because I know it's good for you. This shit was $4 for this little thing. It's $4, and like I said, it doesn't taste bad. Aside from that assy soda taste, it doesn't taste bad at all. But y'all, it done started. Y'all see it sprinkling. You see the little drops. This one, man. The beach is across the streets. Ciao. But still sitting in the car. Back. So I just got finished praying and crying out to God and just asking God for grace and just mercy and just thanking Him for everything He done for me and just asking Him to order my steps. And I just did that in the car because it started raining really, really hard, y'all. So I didn't get the chance to do what I wanted to do, like on the beach and everything. I'm still here in the parking lot though. Y'all, started raining really hard. Like, it's really like, yes, it slowed down a little bit. It's people still walking, going on the beach and stuff like that. So I'm probably gonna sit here for a little more and see what happens. If the sun comes out or if it clears up a little, I'm gonna go out for a little. I just hate that I just came so far and wasn't able to get to go on the beach, but we're gonna see. I'm just gonna stay here for a little while and drink some water and probably write in my my little book, jot down a few things in my little book and see what's gonna happen. I'll be back. Ooh, we made it. I be standing there like they retarded. Look at me, somebody while they standing. Girl, it's hard to walk on this. I knew something's gonna be this shit come out. Let's see what I do. Okay. I'm gonna fall through.
And baby, it's still love. I hate to be make it to forever. Probably ain't getting that together. that I can't wish you better. Being good, but we still good. I realize that I can't be your lover. Let's just keep it honest with each other. I'll be happy for you when you find another. We ain't good, but we still good.
All the bad you made for me, to be honest, and all the stacks that you just spent on me, and it don't go for God.